In this video of Florida Man Math, we're taking a look at an interesting question about birthdays and age. So a person says on their birthday, "This is most likely the penultimate occasion that my age will have the form of either n cubed or 3 to the n for some n in the natural numbers." The question is, how old is this person? We're asked to assume an average lifespan of 78 years with a standard deviation of 15, and the oldest human ever lived to be 122. So the way to think about this is kind of hinging on this phrase about most likely and penultimate occasion. So most likely is going to be making use of these assumptions that they give us. And the penultimate, we should define what penultimate means. So the word ultimate, its true definition means the last in a sequence. So penultimate means second to last. So what we're looking for is the second to last age that is expressed in either form n cubed or 3 to the n for some n as a natural number. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, the counting numbers. So let's just kind of test some out for n cubed and 3 to the n and see what we get. So n cubed, if we do n versus n cubed, we need to start with the natural numbers, so that's 1, and 1 cubed will just be 1. 2 becomes 2 cubed, which is 8. 3 becomes 3 cubed, which is 27. And so moving down the natural numbers here, we have 4. 4 cubed can be shown to be 64. So all of these are valid human lifespans. 5 for n, 5 cubed, and we get 125. And so, under the assumption that the oldest human ever is 122, this one is very out of reach historically, so that wouldn't fit under the most likely part of the phrase. So in that sense, we could call the 64 here, people definitely live to sometimes 64. This could be the ultimate of n cubed, and so the penultimate would be 27. Now let's compare to the other version, which is n versus 3 to the n. So again, starting with the natural numbers of 1, 3 to the 1 is 3. For n is 2, we have 3 squared equal to 9. For n is 3, we have 3 cubed, again 27. For n is equal to 4, we have 3 to the 4, which is, just tripling each of these entries, gets us to 81. All of these so far are valid human ages. And then 5, 3 to the 5. And this ends up being 243, which of course is way out of the range for human lifespans. So what we can conclude is that the ultimate, in the sense of the last of the valid sequence here, is that 81 is the ultimate age for 3 to the n. So the penultimate is actually 27 as well. So in both cases, we have n cubed as 27, and the 3 to the n is 27 as well. And if the 64 is the ultimate in this sequence, 81 is ultimate in this, that makes 27 the penultimate in both. And so that's the answer to this question for the age of this person. And as always, if you like this video and want more like it, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.